With Canva and Canvify, you can link your designs to almost anything like Shopify products, collections, pages, imported Canvify pages, forms, social media, and more. Let's first show you how to add links to Canva website designs. You can add links to buttons, text, images, or any element in your Canva website. These links can point to product pages, guides, downloadable files, contact forms, or external platforms like Instagram and YouTube. To add a link, simply select any element in your Canva design, right-click on it and choose the link option. Now paste your link into the field provided. If you're creating a multi-page Canva website, you can also link to other pages inside the same design. This makes it easy to create internal navigation using buttons or text. Now it's a working link. There is another cool trick here. Canva now allows you to convert regular links into embeds. For example, if I copy this Instagram post link and paste it directly in Canva, it will become a widget automatically. You can also do it manually for all types of links. When adding a link to any text, you can change the link type. Select Embed from these options and it instantly transforms into an interactive widget. This is faster and more flexible than older embed methods and works great for social posts, videos, and external content. Now that we're done with Canva links, let's look at how to connect your Canvify pages to Shopify buttons, text, and navigation elements. If you have imported a page in Canvify and want to link to this page when the user clicks a button of text, here is how you can achieve it. Start by opening the Canvify page you imported. In the top right corner, you'll see an option to copy the page link. This link points to your Canvify page inside Shopify, and it's different from the original Canva website link. You can now use this link anywhere inside Shopify, including product descriptions, blog posts, buttons, and custom sections. I am now adding this link in my store. Let's add this to a heading. I can just paste the link here and it will work. When working in the Shopify theme editor, you'll often see a Pages option when adding links. If you see the Pages option, you don't need to copy-paste your link. Simply click Pages and search for your page directly. Copying the page link is mainly useful in places where Shopify doesn't offer a page selector, such as custom HTML fields or rich text areas. This guide focused on adding and managing links between Canva, Canvify, and Shopify elements. Thanks for watching and happy building with Canvify.